Good morning, guys. Lofoten Islands, day 4. I didn't want to start off the vlog again inside because I've done that 3 days in a row. So I'm outside. It's about 6:30 in the morning. I'm in a city called Ballstad. First of all, I want to show you guys something at this little place I'm staying at. I'm staying at these little red cabins that are right here on the water that I've showed you guys in the last few days of vlogs. But check out this little hot tub situation right here. I'm definitely using that by the time the trip's over. I think we have to tell them to turn it on, but look at how sick it is. I just love that design. And then right next to it, that like round cylinder thing is a sauna. Sauna game in Scandinavia, on point. Love the hot tub situation. Also, shout out to clean water here. The water out of the faucet is so good and so clean. Supported. All right, heading over to Johan's place. Time for some breakfast and food in the cars and off to whatever location he's chosen for us today. Hello, hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
We're still up there sleeping.
How's the vlog going?
Good, man.
I haven't seen any.
You haven't seen any?
In your stories, do you vlog?
Yeah, dude, you're the main character.
No.
I'm just kidding. All right,
Oh, right.
let's do this.
Let's do what exactly?
I don't know, let's sleep and feel tired.
I'm in auto mode right now.
I'm not alive.
I don't even know what I'm... Hello, hello.
All right.
Hi. Ça va? Mais quoi? Ah mais non, pas du tout. Mais t'as vu qu'il y avait... T'as vu au sol ce qu'il y avait?
This must be it because there's 100 people with tripods out. Tripod life. Yeah. All right, let's check it out. Oh, so many tripods. Cold, dude.
Not really. Actually, I'm so happy it's just 0 degree here because it was -9 in Leknes.
Was it?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Fancy.
The village doesn't allow it.
What do you think?
Insane. No words.
So cool. So this spot is called Reina, and it's probably the most popular spot in Norway. There is a lot of people here taking pictures. There's probably like 30 people behind me taking photos. It's kind of tricky to get unique shots in places like this. Banff was like this as well. So beautiful though. I mean, this is easily the best spot we've been to, and the weather's been the best of the entire trip. I don't know how. Probably gonna send up the drone, I think, obviously, because you guys love the drone shots and I love the drone shots. But I think that's a way to get unique photos. But yeah, cool. Wow, so stoked. This is finally the first day we've had good lighting. Also, guys, last night the Northern Lights came out, but I was editing this vlog and I was so tired I didn't get a chance to show you guys it. So hoping that happens today or tonight. But in the meantime, I'm gonna take some shots of Reina, and yeah, so beautiful.
Hiding in the bungalow, she felt so young. The night she was much younger than the other, feeling like a prisoner there in the light. She stood, she knew they couldn't miss her. And then they took her, her, walked over life like, you're all to me, 'cause she wanted me.
Decided to walk around this little village that I'm in right now. Sun's coming out a little bit over there. Oh, this is so cool. So beautiful. It seems like a lot of these places are empty. Maybe it's seasonal work, or fishermen just live in these villages and people get brought in. I heard English being spoken a few times, so I'm trying to figure out, maybe these are just kind of like seasonal areas that a lot of fishermen live. They come in and work. There's boats and stuff everywhere, so I'm sure that's the case. But which also makes sense why a lot of the food here is like fish and preserved fish. I feel like that's the case in a lot of like these Scandinavian countries. Things are pickled and things. Yeah, definitely stunningly beautiful. So interesting to think about what this probably looks like during the summer. I'll have to come back sometime. Getting some really good shots too, so if you guys haven't checked it out already, at Mike_Dewey on my Instagram. I know I've said that a few times, but yeah, it's cool. I've been practicing my photography, and I feel like on this trip I've really been able to get some good shots both on my drone and on my camera. So go check those out over there. I'm also spending a lot of time on my Instagram stories. I put up drone clips, early footage from all my stuff all the time. So if you guys want to see more recent uploads other than this week, of course, since I'm kind of doing this daily vlog thing. But yeah, go over there and check those out.
She kept quiet, they kept beating her. They felt sad for her, but an order is an order. She was a prisoner there in the light. She stood, but she knew they couldn't break her. And by the shore, the bombs were falling with the snow.
All right, we're headed on a mission to a city nearby to go find some crampons for shoes. So Delphine and I are gonna go drive and try to find some. But wrong car? Yeah. Wrong car. So I got 3 Toyotas. Wow. All right. So we're gonna hop in the car and we're gonna try to find some ice crampons so we can do a hike later this week. But we only kind of know where we're going. Should be interesting. All right. 1 hour, 16 minutes. That's pretty much all we know. Alright guys, we've been driving for about 45 minutes and we have about 19 minutes left. And I don't know where we are. We're in Norway. Almost, what's the name of the city?
Svolvær.
Svolvær. We don't know how to pronounce the names of these cities. But yeah, we've got 20 minutes left. After we get the ice crampons for the shoes, coffee is the first thing we're doing. All right, time to see if we actually got some shoes. We're in Svolvær, in a city nearby. Let's see if this guy has our stuff. It's crazy being in like a somewhat decent sized city right now. Ready? Ready. All right. Fingers crossed.
6'4". Yes.
Delphine?
Yes.
Do you sell a lot of these?
Yes. This I think we started maybe 5 years ago.
Okay.
In the January 5 years ago, we sold for 100,000 kroner.
Okay.
In 1 month.
Okay.
Of this. So,
Wow.
so it was.
Wow. Is there a coffee shop around here? Do you know?
Yes, there is actually just across the street. And,
Here?
yes, it's very quiet and
Perfect.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
All right. Success?
Yes.
All right. We've got him. All right, we've got the ice crampons for the shoes. We're gonna drop them off and then we're gonna go in here because I need coffee really bad. Coffee. I need coffee or else I'm gonna be asleep in 5 minutes. Yes. Coffee, all right, great.
Nobody see.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm back. Thank you very much. It's great.
Thank you.
Everyone speaks English so well. You guys speak English really well.
You speak English very well.
Yeah. We found this location online that Johan told me about. It looks really sick. We're gonna see if we can track it down. It's called Henningsvær. Johan, it's said to go here.
Ah, ok. Cool. Ah, ok.
Good photo.
Cool.
Oh, it's so unbelievably pretty. Alright guys, we made a quick stop. Needed to run into the grocery store. Figured I would show you what it was like in a Norwegian grocery store. Not really that exciting or different, but figured I'd show you something a little bit more than what I've shown you the last few days. A little behind the scenes of non-shoot life. Bun Prix. Du pain. C'est là. Oh. It's gone.
Wow, what kind of bread? Déjà coupé? Ah, family bread. Yes.
Ça c'est bon?
C'est bon, but
Maybe we just get a couple.
do you want?
No calories.
Do you want?
Bread and IPA. Is that reindeer? Hey, how's it going? Energy drink, check. Beers for Johan, check.
Yeah.
And bread. I had to get energy drinks because I've been so tired, and after dinner I'm gonna pound one of those gnarly Norwegian energy drinks and then go do the Aurora. And we got hand warmers because it's so cold at night, so we're just gonna hand warmer up and energy drink and just go out and crush the Aurora. Maybe. If there even is an Aurora. How bad would it be if I drank the energy drink and then there was no Aurora tonight? That would be so dark. Alright, we've made it back from our little adventure for the group to help them find ice. Well, to help us find the stuff for the shoes, the ice crampons, I guess they're called. Cool. I think we're gonna go inside now and have some dinner and then hang out for a bit and see what the deal with the Northern Lights is. Alright guys, back in my room. Bummer. No Northern Lights tonight. Didn't happen. We have this app that tells us when the Northern Lights are going to happen, and we loaded it up and it says that there's not really going to be any activity tonight. So no Northern Lights, but that's okay because we're going to rest because we're doing this really cool hike tomorrow, the hike that we went and got the crampons for. So fun day with Delphine today, going to the town an hour and a half away to go get those. They were all sold out of crampons everywhere around us. I think they're like in high demand, so that's the reason we went on our random adventure today. Super fun. I am gonna pass out because it sounds like we have a long day tomorrow, and hopefully more Northern Lights happen because I really haven't had a good experience seeing them yet. But yeah, that's that, and yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe and check out my Instagram at Mike_Dewey. I'll see you guys in the morning.
Hiding in the bungalow, she felt so young. The night she was much younger than the other. Feeling like a prisoner there in the light she stood.